Actually, it was a deep shock for me reading about it. Even the perpetrators are, even they are minors. That's what is quite disturbing for me. So I think we have to, in schools, we have to really impart some kind of, it is not about physical education, it is about we do this kind of mistakes, because young minds are getting corrupt, young minds are getting spoiled for multiple reasons. But somewhere the punishment has to be, it will be dealt with a severe punishment at the school level. I think principals or teachers, I think that culture has to be conveyed to them, that kind of culture. And rest we don't know as on now. Again, law has got a very different approach, different perspective to handle these things. I think I'm also looking forward to what judiciary will say on this.
Sir, one more question. Jana Sena is going to go to Parliament for the first time. What demands you have? What expectations you have?
So I would like to, before I say demand something, before I get into something, normally as I told both our MPs, one of them is new and of course the other one is senior. So yesterday I gave them laid a path for them. I said, first you completely understand the proceedings. This particular session, I want you to observe, go to libraries, go to understand the proceedings, and get understand the needs and requirements of the state and your respective constituencies, see what can be done for them. And this session I told them only to not the problem, just to get a greater understanding, deeper understanding.
Sir, will Jana Sena sacrifice funds or the AP reorganization bill?
See, the problem with AP reality, it's been 10 years. You have to understand this. We entered into the 15th, third term, post thing. But we lost a lot. And each successive government had a different policy. So before it was only TDP, later it was YSRCP. Now this is a NDA government, principal partner being TDP. I think we won't sacrifice funds, but we will say in which way, if not reorganization. But I said, what are the other ways to get the funds to strengthen the state, which is in a financially weaker situation?